Modular kitchens offer a sleek, efficient, and customizable way to design your kitchen space. From layout to storage solutions, here are some of the best modular kitchen ideas to inspire your dream kitchen. The L-shaped modular kitchen is a versatile and space-efficient design. It makes the most of corner spaces, allowing for smooth workflow and easy movement between workstations. The U-shaped modular kitchen provides ample storage and workspace. With cabinetry running along 3 walls, it's perfect for creating a well-organized and functional kitchen. Parallel kitchens, also known as galley kitchens, feature 2 long counters running parallel to each other. This design maximizes space in narrow kitchens and enhances efficiency. A modular kitchen with an island offers additional counter space and storage. Islands can serve as dining areas or prep spaces, making them a functional focal point. Open-plan modular kitchens blend seamlessly with living spaces, offering a sense of openness and integration. Ideal for entertaining, they create a cohesive, modern home layout. Handleless modular kitchen cabinets create a clean, uninterrupted look. This minimalistic design trend is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also easy to maintain. Two-tone modular kitchen cabinets add depth and contrast to the space. Combining 2 complementary colors can create a striking visual effect while maintaining balance. Modular kitchens prioritize efficient storage. From pull-out shelves to corner units, smart storage solutions help maximize space and keep your kitchen organized. Minimalist modular kitchens focus on simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. With sleek surfaces and clutter-free spaces, this design creates a calm and orderly kitchen. Adding a bold backsplash is a great way to inject personality into a modular kitchen. Geometric tiles, colorful patterns, or textured materials can add a unique touch. Integrated appliances blend seamlessly into modular kitchens, enhancing the clean, modern look. From built-in ovens to concealed fridges, this design maximizes space and style. Wood accents can add warmth and texture to a modular kitchen. Whether it's a wooden island, cabinetry, or flooring, wood creates a cozy yet modern ambience. Glass cabinet doors add elegance and sophistication to a modular kitchen. They also provide a way to showcase dishware or decorative pieces while maintaining a clean look. Compact modular kitchens are designed to make the most of limited space. With intelligent storage solutions and efficient layouts, even small kitchens can be highly functional and stylish.